All right, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I am responding to a question that Michael Baker 5070 made in response to a video I made about how to set up file tabs in Google Docs Basics. He asked, if you create a folder, how do you move a document to an existing folder? Thanks. So this is a video answering your question, Michael. Sorry I'm 3 weeks late. I just barely saw this comment. So what you do is you go to Google Docs, choose whatever file it is that you want to move. Over here on the right, you click these three dots. By the way, you could do this from Google Sheets, Google Docs, or wherever. I'm in drive.google.com, which is where you can see all of it. And I'm on Google Chrome right now. Okay. But next to your file, just click the three dots and choose Organize, and then Move. And then you can move it to a computer. You can move it to My Drive, which is where I'd already have the folder set up. You could also create a new folder to move it to. So I'm just going to move it to the Teach Mom How folder. Click Move, and it's done. Notice the location now says My Drive, Teach Mom How. So that is how you move an existing file in Google Drive or Google Docs to a folder that you've already created. Hope that was helpful, Michael. Please leave comments and let me know what else I can help you guys with. And stick around, watch another how-to video before you leave.